Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact installer and extensions you need. This avoids internet dependency later. First, download the VS Code installer or portable. Zip on a connected PC, then save each extension as a v6 file. Once done, consolidate everything into one folder and copy it to a USB drive or shared network location. Make sure to include any runtime like Node.js if your projects need it. This prevents missing dependencies when you work offline. You now install VS Code on the offline machine, choose the installer for system integration, or unzip the portable build into a user folder. Next, install extension. v6 files, open the extension's view or use code install extension path /to/ file. v6. Once extensions are added, configure workspace settings and point any runtimes to local paths. Also, disable extension, auto-update, and proxy settings so VS Code won't attempt network calls. And you finish by validating everything. Open a project, run the linter, and start the debugger to confirm toolchains work offline. Make sure launch. JSON and tasks. JSON reference local binaries or relative paths. This is why you copied runtimes earlier. Once confirmed, archive the installers and v6 files with version labels for future reuse. If something breaks, check the output and developer tools console for path errors. Then correct environment variables or reinstall the missing runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.